Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the NSX GT3 and this is the Evangelion collab edition. They actually have three of this, so I bought and I was able to get only one of this. There is one more purple one and there is one other color, I don't remember now. So I got this one here. Okay, so you can see the Evangelion hologram here. So let's rip this laminated cover apart and just have a look at the box first. Okay, so this costed me actually a bit on the higher side, somewhere around 1800 I guess, in Indian money I'm talking about. So yeah, okay, so here is the Evangelion logo and the color looks really nice in the box, or they're calling it EVA R. The Honda logo is here. Okay, let's open and see how this one actually looks. Okay, so I originally missed to buy this casting when it actually launched, so but I am lucky enough to buy this, get this afterwards. I just bought it literally like a week back, that's it. So I wanted to unbox it now itself because I can't control my excitement on this kind of castings. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, that actually looks so beautiful, and it is pink, but it is like chromed out pink. I mean, honestly, the camera can't do any justice for this color. You need to see it in person. So the livery is so amazing, and you can see the headlights here, which is acrylic, and the wheels are made of rubber. Sorry, tires are made of rubber. Chassis is plastic, and I do love the rims. You can see the color combination here they went with, but I'm not sure whether the actual car is like this. I mean, they actually have this kind of livery in the original car. So here are the tail light details. Okay, they do have acrylics for their tail lights. You can see Evangelion written on bottom of the uh, wings here, or spoilers if you may. I'm really thirsty guys. I'm doing video for nearly more than an hour now without drinking water. Okay, so honestly, okay, the entire car is actually made of metal, so it does have rear view mirrors, but this is some kind of silicon, I can say, like they do for mini GTs. I usually liked pop race because they give metal rear view mirrors. I'm not sure why they went with silicon kind of thing, because these kind of things will melt over time and it will damage the entire casting. But it looks really beautiful. The overall casting is so awesome, and it does have a openable part. Let me just, it is held with magnets. Okay, it is not coming out. So you can see here, this is supposed to come out. I will make it come out, but I'm really afraid whether I will damage the casting somehow if I use something like a sharp object. Okay, there are gaps here. Let me just try something. Just give me a second guys, I'll get something to pry it open. Okay guys, finally I managed to pry it open with a business card. You can just slot it in this gaps here and you can just pry it open. So these are actually held by magnets. So you can see the magnet here below that spoiler, and it does have some nice engine detailing to it. This looks really awesome. That looks really beautiful, man. So let me just put it back. So okay, this part is actually, it does feel like plastic. Let me It does feel like plastic. I think it is plastic. It is plastic, yeah. This part is not metal. This part is plastic. It doesn't even feel like metal, even not even remotely. It is chromed out, I can say, but it is not metal. Let's put it back. Yeah, this falls into place just like that. But apart from that, the entire casting, honestly, the casting looks really beautiful. So I really wish they priced it somewhere around 1500 or so. If you guys bought it for somewhere around 1500, then I'm happy for you guys. Because I told you, right, and I bought it for somewhere around 1800 or 1899, I guess. I'm not sure. I need to check my payment section of it. Okay, I know this is not going to roll like Hot Wheels does or something like that, but let's just push it and see what happens. No, you can just roll it like this. Let's put it here. It just, rubs on top of this part. The fenders, the inside of it is getting rubbed on top of the fenders. So I don't want to damage it. So let's leave it as it is. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.